then, Directorate General of Trade Remedies, or the DGTR, has recommended imposing anti-dumping duty on imports of PVC resin for 5 years. What is the likely impact? MP Taparia, who is the Managing Director at Supreme Industries, joins in now to discuss more on this. Mr. Taparia, thank you very much for taking the time out. So just give us a sense in terms of what the impact would be of this anti-dumping duty on PVC resin.
So the anti-dumping duty has been imposed on the various companies ranging between $22 to $284. Mid-range they are between $50 to $110. In China, the lowest rate of duty is $122. And the largest import of PVC is coming from China.
Okay.
So what would the impact be on prices overall? How would it impact the Indian industry, Mr. Taparia?
We believe overall impact on PVC suspension prices when the duty is finally imposed by the Ministry of Finance should be in a range of ₹8 to ₹10 per kilo.
Okay. So how is that going to impact the prices of PVC resin, sir?
The PVC resin price, I told you that it may increase the resin price between ₹8 to ₹10 a kilo.
Okay.
In the current economic situation and current dollar-rupee parity.
How will that impact your business?
Business will not be affected because the prices of PVC has gone down since July 2024 by around ₹24 per kilo.
So, Yes, Mr. Taparia, you had indicated that prices had gone down. In our last conversation, you also indicated that prices might have bottomed out for PVC piping overall. The other part of the industry is that between Reliance and Adani, there's around 2.5 MTP of capacity coming up for PVC resin. Do you think this will take away the need for imports overall? Do you think that is something that would support the industry even more?
We welcome the plant coming of Reliance and Adani, but they are going to come in last quarter 2026 calendar year or in first half 2027. And the capacity announced by them total is 2.2 million ton. Country is importing today 1.5 million ton are local and 3.5 million ton imported. So again, 3.5 million ton import, the capacity plant is 2.2 million ton. So country is going to remain short even after 27-28 also. We are too much dependent on import, and it is desirable the requirement of import should go down for boosting the domestic production of our converting industry.
Okay. Give us a sense, Mr. Taparia, in terms of what demand is anyway looking like for PVC resin.
So this year, the demand for plastic piping systems will grow between 7 to 8%.
So PVC resin is actually your raw material, right? So since prices will increase by 8 to 10 rupees per kg, will you be passing it on to your consumers? How would the entire supply chain work in that case, Mr. Taparia?
We do not see it will affect the demand from consumer.
So you will go ahead and pass it on to the consumers by 8 to 10 rupees?
We are able to pass on to the consumer.
You will be able to pass it on, and there will be no impact on demand as well. So you maintain your volume growth guidance that you had given earlier of 15 to 17%, even after this ADD imposition?
We believe the volume material guidance our company is given will be able to maintain.
Okay. How are you looking for the entire FY26, because, there's a lot of uncertainty with regards to what is taking place with regards to tariffs at this point in time. It's a fluid situation, you would have to say, for the next couple of weeks or maybe a couple of months. What is the demand looking like? Are you in place to basically meet your FY26 guidance?
I don't follow you fully. What do you say, please?
What is the entire situation looking like for FY26 for you as a whole, as a business, sir? We are dealing with a lot of uncertainties, say, when it comes to trade tariff, when it comes to, even GST, which would obviously be a positive. Can you give us a sense or paint us a picture in terms of what the business is looking like as a whole for you?
Considering the price parity of PVC resin, the uncertainty has been now fully curbed after announcement by Directorate General Trade Remedies, the final finding of imposition of anti-dumping duty. Normally, the anti-dumping duty, once they announce, the finance ministry take action between 20 to 90 days. So now there is certainty this is going to be the duty rate going to come, and this will give full certainty to the market, and there should be no destruction of demand for our final product. We do not see any such problem.
Okay, all right. So that's a big, important clarification coming in from Supreme Industries that PVC resin prices, they will rise by 8 to 10 rupees per kg, but they will be able to pass it on to their consumers. They maintain their volume guidance of 15 to 17%. The stock is spiking at the day's high after this conversation as well. Thank you so much, Mr. Taparia, for joining us as always and patiently answering all those questions. So Supreme Industries, Astral, all these stocks are surging.